Hello everyone, welcome to another episode of Sani Vlogs. And in this episode, we found this cool place that has nice Christmas decorations. So we're just going to bring you this episode to end the year, a long year it has been with this corona pandemic going on. And I hope you guys are safe. It's the end of the year. Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year to each and every one of you. And I pray and I hope next year brings us strong and better version of each and every one of us. And I hope you enjoyed this episode. If you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and share, and we will keep sharing dance vlogs, travel vlogs, and lifestyle vlogs just for you to enjoy. Thank you for tuning in throughout this year, and I hope next year you still join us for more fun videos. Thank you very much. Enjoy this episode. This is the Botanica coffee truck. It is a nice place located in Prague 10 Vysovice, and it has a nice theme to it. Every holiday they design the place to look the holiday. So if it is Halloween, they design the whole place to look like a Halloween theme place that you can buy stuff. And this time we went during Christmas, so you can imagine the beauty of the place, and the place looks like a Christmas wonderland that you can just buy coffee as well. It has so many decorations up for sale, and also sit around, take pictures, hang around, and if you were tired you go back home. We hung around a bit, we were able to enjoy the other stuff they had, and after that we took some pictures, and ciao bye bye. Enjoy this episode, and don't forget to share and subscribe. Thank you very much. Enjoy. That's all, everybody. The next time you are in Prague, do well to visit Botanica Coffee Track. Check what they have as a theme, and then make sure you visit the place. Thank you very much for tuning in. Stay safe, stay blessed, and Happy New Year.